Scientists have been silently warned never to make contact because what's out there might not just be beyond our technology, it might be beyond our sanity. In 1973, astronomer John Ball proposed the zoo hypothesis to explain the Fermi paradox. He believed that alien civilizations may have already discovered humans. They just haven't made contact in line with our development. And Earth is like a zoo, just one of countless objects being observed and studied. Like in a pond where there is wood and a group of fish. If there is only one fish, it means this place is home. If alien civilizations exist, then they might be the ones observing the fish tank right now. And we inside it have absolutely no idea. They might be four-dimensional beings who can simultaneously see your past, present, and future. Or they could be a mass of thinking gas, plasma like lightning, or even liquid metal that can change its shape. And what is even more terrifying is that scientists, based on passive thinking and speculation, believe that the reason humans have not found aliens may be because different environments give birth to different forms of life, which causes us to only see such a skillful world due to a lack of convenient methods. In other words, the direction humans have been searching for alien life may have been wrong from the very beginning. In fact, 99.9% of intelligent life in the universe may not be carbon-based at all, but may exist in some form of passion that is difficult to imagine. For example, in 2025, the James Webb Telescope sent back something that kept scientists around the world up all night. On a planet at a certain distance from Earth, a special gas was detected in the atmosphere at a concentration 1,000 times that of Earth. After analyzing the data, the astonishing discovery was that this gas is dimethyl sulfide, produced by life activity. If you have ever been to the beach and smelled that particular smell, then that very likely is this chemical substance. Under normal circumstances, dimethyl sulfide is considered a marker of life activity. Fortunately, regarding this, scientists believe the probability of life existing there is as high as 99%. But there is another unsettling fact staring us in the face. Because that planet's mass and density are both many times that of Earth, its surface may be covered by an ocean with no visible bottom. And the water there may reach 10 to several times deeper than Earth's Mariana Trench. If there truly is life there, they would absolutely not be anything like Earth's organisms. And what makes it even more baffling is that when scientists conducted spectral analysis, they found that the ocean of that dark planet may not even be water at all, but a bizarre mixture of methane and various organic compounds. Under such an extreme ocean environment, combined with that planet's gravity, what kind of monster would the life that evolved there look like? Several astrobiologists then put forward a groundbreaking view that our definition of life may have been too narrow from the very beginning. All life on Earth is carbon-based, but this is definitely not the only form of life in the universe. So, if silicon-based life truly exists, how would it be different from us? First, in an oxygen environment, when carbon is oxidized during breathing, it forms carbon dioxide, which is very easy to expel from the body. But when silicon is oxidized, it forms silicon dioxide, like glass and sand, which would cause extreme difficulty for the respiratory system of silicon-based life, unless they live on a high-temperature environment that can turn silicon dioxide into a gaseous and liquid state. Only then might they be able to exist invisibly and freely like Earth's organisms. Second, some silicon compounds have very high thermal stability. For example, certain compounds can withstand temperatures of around 600,000 degrees, and silicon bonds can withstand around 900,000 degrees. For such silicon-based organisms, temperatures above 400 degrees would be needed to put them to sleep. And on a constant temperature planet like Earth, they would very likely become inactive. Finally, the appearance of silicon-based life would also be vastly different from carbon-based life. Most researchers believe that if silicon-based life exists, they would look more like something resembling a living mineral or a moving rock. We have all kinds of speculation about non-carbon chemical forms of life, but fundamentally, this is really just an extension of our understanding of the basic principles of carbon-based life chemistry. And if the mainstream form of life in the universe is not carbon-based, but some form that humans cannot comprehend at all, then just as physicist Hawking once emphasized during his lifetime, humans should never actively contact alien civilizations, because their form of existence may completely shatter everything we think we know. The reason aliens are terrifying is not because of how advanced they might be. It is because we have absolutely no idea what kind of mindset they will have when they arrive.